Good morning, class 8th. Yesterday, we discussed the chapter ruling the countryside. We have already done permanent settlement in detail. Permanent settlement, let me brief you about this. Permanent settlement, it was started by Lord Cornwallis in 1793. Why this permanent settlement was required? Because in chapter from trade to territory, they captured many territories of our country. For example, Bengal, Bihar, Odisha, Kada, Allahabad and many more. Now they started to rule and they needed to collect revenue from peasants. So this system was the first organized system to collect taxes from peasants, and one feature of this settlement was that tax was not to be increased and it was made permanent for next 10 years. Today we shall discuss about Mahalwadi system and Rayatwadi system. Mahalwadi system, it was started in 1822 by Holt Mackenzie. Now what do you mean by Mahal here? Mahal means village, and in this village system revenue was to be collected by village headman, present day Sarpanch, and it was given by him only to the Britishers. Assessment was done by the Britishers, tax was fixed, and after that it was given to the collector who was appointed by Britishers by headman of that village. Here peasants could help each other. Suppose this year, because of less rainfall, I have less crops, then my friend can give revenue on my behalf so that my land might not be acquired by the Britishers. And next system was Rayatwadi system, and this is also famous as Munro system because it was started by Thomas Munro and Alexander Reed. Rayat means peasant. Rayat means peasant. So here Britishers, they had direct contact with the peasant. किसान के साथ सीधा समझौता. And according to this system, they collected tax directly from the peasant. There was no middleman, as you can see here we had middleman in the form of zamindars. Zamindars were earlier rajas or talukdar. Zamindars, they appointed collector, and collectors in turn they used to collect taxes for Britishers. And in Mahalwadi system, collector, they used to collect tax from village headman. But here no middleman was there, and directly Britishers, they collected tax from the peasant. I hope this much is clear to you.